Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Canon EOS R8, two fantastic mirrorless cameras that cater to different needs and budgets. Let's dive in. Starting with price, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 comes in at an affordable $799, making it a great option for those looking to save some cash. Reviewers praise it for being a high-quality camera at a budget-friendly price, offering good image quality and various features. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R8 is priced at $1,499, which is a significant investment. Reviewers note that while it may not be budget-friendly, it delivers exceptional image quality and powerful features worthy of its price tag. When it comes to image quality, both cameras feature a 24.2-megapixel sensor, but the ZV-E10 has an APS-C sensor while the R8 boasts a full-frame sensor. The ZV-E10 is praised for its sharp 4K video and versatility, making it ideal for vloggers. In contrast, the R8's full-frame sensor and DIGIC-X image processor allow for superior image quality, especially in low-light conditions. Reviewers rave about the R8's performance in both photography and videography, noting its impressive dynamic range and color accuracy. Autofocus is another crucial aspect. The ZV-E10 features a product showcase setting that enhances its focus capabilities, making it great for vlogging and product reviews. Reviewers appreciate its fast and reliable autofocus for casual shooting. Meanwhile, the R8's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with 1053 AF zones offers precise tracking for fast-moving subjects, making it ideal for both photography and videography. Users highlight its accuracy and speed as standout features, especially for action shots. Lastly, let's discuss video capabilities. The ZV-E10 shines as a vlogging camera with easy live streaming features and 4K video quality that meets the needs of content creators. Reviewers love its user-friendly setup for live streaming. In contrast, the Canon EOS R8 takes video to another level with full HD recording at up to 180 FPS, allowing for stunning slow-motion footage. Users are impressed with its video quality and versatility, making it a solid choice for serious videographers. Overall, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is highly regarded for its affordability and versatility, making it a perfect choice for vloggers and casual photographers. The Canon EOS R8, while pricier, is celebrated for its advanced features and exceptional image quality, appealing to professional photographers and videographers. Which camera would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more comparisons to help you buy smart. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep your wallets happy and your photos sharp.